It assists in making goods such as cars, houses, as well as cities smart by making them internet-connected and capable of communicating with each other. IoT helps us do things faster and makes using technology more fun. What is IoT? The Internet of Things, IoT, is made up of smart devices that can gather and share information over the Internet all by themselves, without needing people to help. How the Internet has changed. Now that we know what IoT is, it's a great time to look at how the Internet has developed and increased over the years. Before the introduction of the Internet, people usually conveyed messages to each other through landline phones or mobile phones. The origins of the Internet. With the invention of the Internet, all of that was changed. Individuals all over the world could now exchange vital information with just a click of a button. Internet of Things, IoT. Most of what you read on the Internet today is placed there by human beings. Humans are capable of making mistakes and don't always have the time to find out all the facts. Imagine computers that are able to gather information automatically by themselves without any human involvement. They might monitor things, tally objects, and assist in saving time, money, and resources. Such an idea evolved into what we now refer to as the Internet of Things, or IoT. How IoT functions. IoT architecture. The Internet of Things, IoT, is not merely intelligent devices such as smartwatches or voice assistants. It is an ecosystem where devices and machines can collect information, interpret it, and even respond to it, all without constant human intervention. Stage 1. Sensors and actuators. All the intelligent devices in the world of IoT start with a device called a sensor or an actuator. Sensors are the ears and eyes of a device. They collect data from the physical world. For instance, a sensor in a smart light would be capable of detecting whether someone has entered a room. Step 2. Collecting the information. Data collected by sensors is typically analog, i.e., it is not yet digital, in a form that can be interpreted by a computer. Stage 3. Edge analytics. Once the data has been digitized, it can be given a preliminary inspection or limited analysis close to where it has been collected. This is edge analytics. Stage 4. Cloud analytics. Sometimes the data needs more consideration, comparison with past records, or operation on huge files or machine learning. Conclusion. The Internet of Things operates in a series of steps. Smart devices initially employ sensors to collect data. Subsequently, the collected information is translated into a format readable by computers.